Hi everybody and welcome back to the hardreset.info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily install and set up the application on Android phone for your Creative Pebble Nova speakers. At first we need to go into the Play Store here, and now we have to open search. Here in the search bar we have to tap Creative. Here we have to go into Creative Application from Creative Labs Pte Ltd. And here, as I can see, this is the application with 100k downloads for the 23rd of July and 808 reviews. We have to tap Install button here. It might take a while, but I think that this is the moment. Here we have to tap Open. Before this whole process, I recommend to be connected with your speaker. That's really helpful. Here we have it up Allow, and as I can see, now our device is found. We have to tap this device, and as I can see, now we have our application all set up and pair with our device. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.